Mhlapha nje kubhubha abantwana abali-18 engozini yekoloyi ePhongolo KwaZulu-Natal ekuyindawo ebalahlangana nendawo ezinye eziqeda isitjhaba eSewula Afrika pha. Nanyana kunjalo urhulumende ufike esehlakalweni esingemva kwamalanga kanti ukwehla kwengogwana engimabhubhisa eCovid-19 nokubekelwa ngeqadi kwemali ekumele isize ukulwisana nengogwana le kubonakele ukukhuphukisa izinga lobukhohlakali. Ekuthomeni kweminyaka yabo 2000 inarha le ilahlekelwe babantu abanengi ngonobangela yengogwana ye-HIV ne-AIDS nokubhalelwa kwakarhulumende kunikela bongazimbi imitshogolisana nengogwana le ngefanelo. Begodu sikhuluma nje ziningi imayini ezingasasebenziko ezijiywe zivuliwe nezivulela abozamazama isikhathi sokuraga ngokumayina ngokungemthetho.
What people I think are missing when they analyze the constitution, right? It makes a whole range of promises in terms of the rights, to housing, but also it supposes a certain quality of life, which unfortunately is not compatible with a colonial capitalism in the period of the crisis, such as the one that we're living with.
Umbiko wamba nje we-Reach project eboqale indaba zepilo zombuso wenepatho ebantwini abathembele embusweni utshengise ukungabekelwa phambili kwezenzelo eziqhakathekileko zepilo. Umbiko lo boqale ihlelo lenitjhaba ezibumbeneko le-AIDS elihlose ukufikelela amaphesenti ama-95 ukuthi abantu abaphila nengogwana ye-HIV babazi ubujamo babo banikelwe nomtjhoga ezobasiza ukuphungula amandla wengogwana le emzimbeni abo. Nanyana kunjalo umbiko lo ufumene ukuthi amaphesenti ali-9 ayabazi ubujamo babo be-HIV kodwana bayi-81% kwaphela abafumana imtjhoga yokulwisana nengogwana le.
In order for us to reach the global AIDS, the global goals of ending HIV and AIDS by ending AIDS by 2030, we need a strong program. We need healthcare workers, inadequate healthcare workers. We need consistent supply of HIV medication. We need clinics. Our clinics to be okay, to be functional, the conditions, but then we are getting the exact opposite.
Ngokuya kokomishini yamalungelo obuntu eSewula Afrika pha inarha le inomthetho obambi mphathimandla ukuthi ziqinisekise ukuthi amaSewula Afrika avikelekile.
One of the recourses that are available for people is to exercise and realize the rights that they have. And how you give effect to those rights is that you yourself have got that responsibility.
Nanyana kumsebenzi wemphathimandla nje kodwana amaSewula Afrika nawo anayo indlela yokwenza inlilo zabo zilalele ekungenziwa ngendlela yokuchochozela nofana yokukhetha abaholi ngefanelo.